Hello everybody, my name is Felipe. We're here in Houston, Texas, in this house that I acquired back in February, and I'm an SBI member, and I acquired this property through Driving for Dollars. So one of my drivers pinned this location. We send mailers here, and everything started last October 2020, still in the pandemic, everything virtual. After a few mailers, the seller contacted me directly, and then they started negotiations. She asked me for a quote. Obviously, she asked several quotes from several investors, and after following through for several months, she finally told me that she really wanted to go with me. And then I started getting everything in place, my finances, my private money lenders, all the contract, all the scope of work for the house. Obviously, I came back in October to see the property, did some quick analysis on it on the repair side, and as you can, if you've done this before, you know that you will get surprises in every single rehab. So this wasn't the exception. We got termites. It was a hoarded house, and they put some new sheetrock on the house and did some things just to cover some defects that we uncover, obviously. And well, you're not gonna be prepared, right? So part of being an investor is being able to handle upcoming things that you did not expect and solve them real quick, and everything in budget, right? So basically I acquired this property for around $130,000, and we're putting in the house around $120,000 in repairs. But the market is booming right now, so I don't know the exact selling price, but it's going to be around $330,000, I expect. So it's going to be a good deal, and there's a lot of things to do. It's everything, right? So there's new kitchen, new bathrooms, new floors, new HVAC, new roof. I mean, we're probably just saving the windows, right? So, but everything. The house is located in a great neighborhood. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms. The house is huge. It's 3,444 square feet. And it's very conveniently located. There's the Klein district. The high school is right here, like 3 blocks away. And it's a great school district. And we're still in the middle of the repairs right now. We're almost done with electricity and plumbing, and I already got contact from a realtor asking me how much I'm going to ask for the property. And this project is expected to be 3 months in length. And after that, go to the market, and the things they're doing, they're going right now, I think it's not gonna last long, like for sure less than a month, but hopefully less than a week. Hey, thank you for your time, and stay tuned for the final outcome of this beautiful project. It's gonna look awesome, and I wanna use this opportunity to thank you, SBI, thank you, Diego, Maria, and Jesus, my contractor, for the wonderful job that they're doing. And hope to see you guys in the next project. All right.